Welcome to Study Time channel, Mathematics for Class 10, Unit number 5, Sets and Functions, Exercise 5.2, second question, verify associative property of union and intersection for the sets. First part of second question is, set A have elements A, B, C up to Z, and set B have elements A, E, I, O, U, and set C have elements A, D, I, L, M, N, O. So we have to prove that A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Left hand side is equal to A union B union C. First we have to prove B union C. So we take a union set of all elements of set B and all elements of set C. So we have to write here set B union C. B union C is equal to, set B have elements A, E, I, O, U union. Set C have elements A, D, I, L, M, N and O. So union set contains all elements of B and C. So we have elements here A, D, E, I, L, M, N, O and U. So we take a union with set A. A union B union C. Set A have element A, B up to Z. Union set B union C have element A, D, E, I, L, M, N, O and U. This is equal to, this set is a subset of set A. So in the union we have only to write set superset, which is A, B, C up to Z. So we have A, B, C up to Z. This is equation 1. Left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side is completed. So we have to prove right hand side. On right hand side we have B union C. This is equal to, set A have element A, B, C up to Z. Union set B element, B have element A, E, I, O, U. This is again a subset of set A. So we have to write here only set A, B up to Z, the superset. Next we are solving A union B union C. Union of this right hand side portion A union B with C. A, B, C up to Z union. Set C have elements A, D, I, L, M, N and O. So this is again a subset of this set. So we write only superset, which is A, B up to Z. We call it equation number 2. By equation number 1 and 2 we have, by 1 and 2 we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. The union associative property of union is completed. Now we have to prove associative property of intersection for these three sets. Second verification of associative property of intersection, we have property A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Left hand side is equal to A intersection B intersection C. First we have to solve A B intersection C. We have elements of B set A E I O U and C set have elements A D I L M N O, and their intersection have only common elements. First we check A, which is common. E is not common, we ignore it. I is also common, so we write here in next set O is common and U is not common, so we write A I O in the set B intersection C. Next we have to take intersection with set A. Set A have elements A B up to Z. Intersection set A intersection B have elements A I O. So we have only these common elements because set A have all alphabets A to Z and set B intersection C have only three elements A I O. So this is the subset of set A, and we have elements in their intersection is A I O. This we can call it as equation number 1. So we right hand side have A intersection B intersection C. So we have to prove A intersection B is equal to set A have elements A B C up to Z and set B have elements A E I O U, and their common elements are A E I O U. So we have to take the intersection of this set with set E. A intersects with set C. A intersection B intersection C, this is equal to A E I O U intersection A D I L M N O. In these two sets we observe that we have common elements A, I and O. So we can say that this is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2 we have A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C, which is left hand side is equal to right hand side. And that's complete our verification of associative property of union and intersection, part second question, part 1.